Si Kihor Cafe recommendation ba ang hanap mo? Then, check this out. Ito yung cafe na I can recommend if you're visiting the island. Located along Circumferential Road in Siquijor, madaling puntahan at perfect na stopover habang iniikot ang isla.
It's getting cold outside.
Woody and laid back yung feels dito. Pagpasok mo pa lang ng cafe, ramdam mo na agad yung calm at relaxing vibe. Ang loob nito napapaligiran ng mga wood crafts at maraming libro, kaya sobrang cozy at very instagrammable din. May alfresco dining din sila, perfect if you really want to soak in the Siquijor vibes habang nagkakape. And syempre, hindi lang maganda yung place. This cafe also serves good coffee. Masarap yung kape nila. I tried their iced coffee and hot latte. Parehong solid. Strong espresso. Nice and well balanced. Yung hot latte nila hindi sobrang milky at hindi rin watery. Sakto lang at very satisfying. Overall, good coffee and great value for money. So, if you're exploring Siquijor, this cafe is definitely worth the stop. Not just for the coffee, but for the slow, laid-back experience that comes with it. Tamang kape, tamang vibe, at tamang pahinga habang iniikot ang isla. Save this for your future Siquijor trip. And as always, stay safe and stay caffeinated.